punishment. And even though New Mexico repealed the death penalty, an accused deputy killer could still be executed. Good evening. Death will be an option for the jury that hears the murder trial of Michael Astorga.
The state Supreme Court today refused to rule on a request to completely throw out New Mexico's death penalty. Last winter, the legislature approved a bill ending capital punishment, and Governor Bill Richardson signed it. But it only applies to crimes committed after July 1st of this year. That means death is still a possibility in a few pending cases, including Astorga's. News 13's Jim Winchester is in the Newsplex with today's developments. Jim?
Yeah, Dick, and when Governor Bill Richardson signed the death penalty ban, he said that Michael Astorga should not get off the hook.
I support the death penalty in the most heinous of cases. I think Astorga should go to the death penalty.
Astorga is accused of shooting Deputy James McGrain during a traffic stop in 2006. This spring, his lawyers asked the state Supreme Court to throw out the death penalty in the Astorga case and all pending capital cases, not just for convictions after July 1st.
People of New Mexico have done with the death penalty, and we'd like to see the courts have done with it also.
Today, 4 months later, the High Court decided not to rule. It sent the case back to district court for trial with the possibility of the death penalty still intact. DA attorney Carrie Brandenburg, who is seeking Astorga's execution, says her prosecutors can now move forward.
I'm surprised that they had it for so long and then they made the decision not to decide.
Astorga's lead lawyer, Gary Mitchell, is disappointed with the court's no decision. He says the process of selecting a jury in death penalty cases is automatically unfair.
We are going to death qualify a jury. That means we eliminate all of those in New Mexico who are opposed to the death penalty.
Brandenburg disagrees. She says even people who support capital punishment can be fair about using it.
I'm confident that we have jurors here in the state of New Mexico that can hear the evidence and decide whether or not death is the appropriate sentence in this case.
And Brandenburg anticipates that there will be several more motions that will take place in this particular case, but she is certain at this point in time that the death penalty will be an option for the jury. Dick, back to you.
All right, Jim, the DA expects this trial will start early next year.